Hello and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to write a simple Python based program to find out all the prime numbers between a given interval. So first of all we need to know what the prime number is. The prime number is a positive integer which is always greater than 1 and which is no other factor except 1 and the number itself. So that's the basic definition of a prime number. So let's start with the program. I will create a new file and save it as prime number reply. But so I'm gonna do its program to find out all the prime numbers between a between an interval. Okay. For this I will make two intervals. I'll make two intervals. Lower interval, integer, to be of integer type. So input enter lower interval. So I'm asking the user to enter the lower interval. I'll copy it and I will give it as upper interval. So I need to hit the loop now for number in using a range function, lower limit, lower interval to upper interval plus 1. I'm doing plus 1 because sometimes upper interval might also be our prime number. So if the number is greater than 1, as I already told you in the beginning, that prime number is a positive number which is always greater than 1, right? So for I in range of 2 and 2 to the given number, right? So if number mode I is equals to 0, then what I have to do is break the loop and I will write else part and I will print the number in the else part. So basically this is our total program. It's a simple, easy and a few short line of code, and yeah, we can write else in this way as well for the for loop in Python. So let's test it now. So I open the terminal and if I write here Python 3 prime number dot py, then if I give the lower interval as 2 and upper interval as 5, so it's 7, then it will print 2, 3, 5 and 7. Similarly, if I run it again and it to 200, then it will print all the prime numbers between 2 and 100. So that's all for the testing part. So yeah, I will be posting more of a same kind of program in the coming days as well. Uh, Basically, this program will be important for a beginner, and yeah, sometime it may be asked in the technical interview as well. So that's all for today. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel for more contents.